how to make such a thick fat resin. Hi my friends, today I would like to share with you which product I use to get this type of result of this type of beautiful gorgeous thick resin. As you can see, this is called high build artwork resin. Yes, absolutely very thick. Yeah, it's so thick resin. It's completely different, but you need to remember to mix them both equally and add some colors, and I'll show you how to do it. Let's start. So guys, for a demonstration I'm gonna take this type of resin. This is white resin, as you remember my other video, and this is nearly equally equal because I took two spoon like that, and I'm gonna mix them both. You have to take measure equally, but because I'm doing very often and already know by eyes how much, but if you're not sure, get some little spoon and measure it, and use that spoon for resin only. Okay, don't use for food or something like that. You have to everything separated in resin. And as you can see on my table, I put white paper because I don't want to mess it up. I do have pink color, and I do have yellow and white, yellow, as you can see, I'm mixing resin with color, and I'm getting such a beautiful bright colors. And after, I'm gonna start pouring the resin by dot, because this resin very thick. It's gonna be as I show you now, the demonstration, it's not gonna be all over the pouring, it's gonna be like a little dot. So more color you have, more interesting project you get. As you can see, it's so thick resin. Yeah, it's not gonna go anywhere. It's just like a little dot, and so thick. I love it. I just really do. And it's not toxic resin. It will dry after 12 hours properly, but it will get more harder after 2 hours. So you have about 1.5 hours to work with, and leave it to, usually I leave for until morning. I leave overnight, and in the morning it's all pure, it's ready. So with this resin you can create all sort of shape, all sort of imaginary, such a beautiful, very colorful project. I hope you really enjoy my video, and if you have a question, you just welcome to ask. I'm always here to happy to help. So be creative, guys. Bye for now.